Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Entertainment with Buford and Francis. Today, I'll be cosplaying as Francis from the Fairly Odd Parents. He will tell the viewers the story of Barbie Mariposa. Enjoy the video. Henna, the evil butterfly fairy and the attendant of the Queen of Flutterfield, has poisoned the queen in an attempt to take over the kingdom. Due to this, the lights protecting Flutterfield are in danger of going out. These lights protect Flutterfield from the skeezites, monsters who eat butterfly fairies and are connected to the life of Flutterfield's queen. It is up to Mariposa and her friends/employers, Raina and Rayla, to find an antidote to save the queen. They first travel according to the map, but when night falls, they are far from Flutterfield and the skeezites appear. They engage in a long chase scene, but Mariposa, Raina, and Rayla escape through a gate of red plants. However, the map gets nibbled by a skeezite. Mariposa remembers a sun picture on the map, and she concludes that they should travel east as towards the rising sun. Then they arrive at the Bewilderness and encounter a little flying rabbit named Zinzi, a great thrower who loves fluttercorn, and leads them to a mermaid statue in exchange for a packet of fluttercorn. They end up all diving into a lake and find mermaids. Mariposa asks them to tell her the whereabouts of the Cave of Reflections, and the mermaids agree to help them, but they ask for one thing in exchange: conch shells. However, the little merbabies are sleeping and use these shells as pillows, and it is revealed that if you wake the baby cries and wakes a sea monster. Rayla finds a plant and wraps it until it bears the shape of the conch shells. They gently swap the shells with the plant, but one of the babies is tickled on the nose by a little leaf that was not wrapped properly, and the baby wakes and starts crying. This wakes the other babies, who as well start crying, waking the sea monster. While Mariposa delivers the conch shells to the mermaids, Raina, Zinzi, and Rayla try to escape the sea monster by swimming in different directions. The mermaids help in the end, and they all escape the sea monster. Meanwhile, Queen Marabella fell ill, and the guards captured the prince, trying to find the antidote. The queen's captain of the guards holds him in a conversation, and another fairy sought the prince and freed him. That fairy is Willa, Mariposa's best friend. She tells the prince that she has spotted Henna doing evil things, so they decide to follow her, and the two find out that she had taken control over skeezites by mixing a strange liquid and thistleburst. Moreover, they discover that Henna was plotting to take over Flutterfield all this time. The mermaids tell the four braves where to find the Cave of Reflections, and they fly towards it eagerly, but find that the cave was guarded by skeezites. Zinzi manages to trick the skeezites, and the four escape into the cave. There, they find their reflections talking back to themselves. They finally meet the fairy of the cave, who leads the group to different sections where she proclaims each time, "One of you must stay behind." Mariposa was left as the last one, and the cave fairy guides her toward a place filled with stars. She tells that one star holds the antidote she needs. Mariposa eventually finds one, which was all by itself, in which she used the archer's star pattern to locate it. This hints that this was the correct star, and for that reason, Mariposa is presented with the lily flower antidote and larger, more beautiful, sparkling wings. The four heroines arrive back at Flutterfield just when the skeezies start attacking everyone at the Royal Fairy Castle. Mariposa eventually discovers that Henna poisoned the queen, so she races to cure her with the antidote, while Willa and the others fight the skeezies outside with thistleburst. Upon reaching the throne room, Henna steals the antidote, tries to stop Mariposa from foiling her plans, destroying the antidote and convincing her to rule alongside Flutterfield with her. But a pink flutter pixie takes the antidote back Mariposa refuses. She eventually manages to get the antidote to Marabella and heal her before she dies, but Hannah steals it back and destroys it completely, causing the last light to go out. All hope seems lost until the last light comes right back on, and Marabella awakens, causing all the lights to reignite and shoo the Skeetsies away. Hannah leaves and goes away with the Skeetsies under the pretense of not getting caught, thus fleeing from the light. After the big save, Queen Marabella presents each of the heroines the crown of flowers. Since then, Mariposa felt she belonged, having learned that being herself is the best thing in life.